The ULTA Dermatologist recommended sampler kit is available now. It is $24.99. It does have a $96 value with 13 doctor recommended skincare products. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Unlock the secret to radiant, healthy skin with our dermatologist recommended skincare kit. Your journey to complexion perfection starts here. The kit will include Aquifer Ointment Sachet, 0.03 ounce, Avena, Siga Vate, plus Restorative Protective Cream, 1.3 ounces, CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Wash, BPO, 10% for face and body, 0.34 ounces, Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Facial Moisturizer, SPF 0.17 ounce, Derma-E Vitamin C Serum 0.5 ounce, Dermalogical Intensive Moisture Balance Moisturizer 0.24 ounce, La Roche-Posay Toleraine Purifying Foaming Face Wash for Oily Skin 0.5 ounces, Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum 0.17 ounce, Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Cream Fragrance Free 0.5 ounce, Panoxyl Acne Foaming Wash 10%, benzoyl peroxide 1 ounce, Rock Retinol Correction Serum Capsules 10 count, Vanny Cream Facial Cleanser 0.21 ounces, Vichy Mineral 89 Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum for stronger skin 0.1 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.